Austin, Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria. And if today is your first time you come to this channel, I say very big welcome to you. Very, very welcome. Okay, don't forget to click on the subscribe button or copy the link and share to others so that they can benefit from our channel what you also benefit right now. Okay, so then again, I want to make you understand that we ship everywhere. We ship everywhere worldwide. Worldwide we ship to Europe, UK, Asia country, US, Canada, even other Africa country as well we ship to. Alright. So then what I want to tell you guys today is very essential, please. It's very essential. For those of you who complain my prices are too high, my prices are too high. Why not at least I want you to understand this. I want to beg you also to save your life, you know. In a sense that this skin you see, this is your skin, this skin you see is very essential. Don't see any offer that because it's cheap and you jump at it. Alright? You see any offer that oh, because it's cheap and you jump at it that way because you saw this thing yesterday it was 1 naira, today it's 5 naira, and you still want to get it today 1 naira, and somebody just okay still 1 naira, you jump at it, you will get yourself killed. Don't do that, please. There are fake products everywhere right now. It exists, it's working. Fake product, like these people, they just gang up there, they selling fake product. Save your life. Help me to save your life, or help yourself to save your life by saying no to those cheap items you think they are original. Alright? Money is not everything, so take this advice from me. Alright? So don't come talk to me in my DM and I say, oh, your things are they're too expensive, or you go to YouTube comment and say your things are too expensive. Fine, let it be expensive. People will buy them if you don't buy them. So in a quick one, let me tell you about this skin free. Look at it. This is original skin free. This skin free Glutathione+Swiss collagen. A lot of people don't know about it, so that's why I want to tell you about it, because you only know about skin free milk. You've not seen it. You've not seen this. Have you? Look at it properly. You've not seen it. However, when you see it before, did you bother using it? Oh, because it don't work. I don't know, blah, blah, blah. Blah. It works, baby. That's what I'm about to tell you. It works. Look at it. It works. Just use it. The way you use your skin free milk, the same way you're going to use this. It has collagen on it, and I told you any items that contain collagen, don't joke with it, because it helps to enhance and also increases your skin reduction. It increases the collagen in your body, and what collagen does in your body, it enhances and increases the reduction of your body, like, you know. So maybe if the immune system in your body they kind of weak, or they cell in your body they dying, or I don't know, something, you're lacking some vitamin, and then you're using collagen. Anything contains collagen, it boosts your immune system and your cell also. All right. And the access of collagen in your body, you kind of freaked out, like wow. All right. So you make sure collagen always be in anything you do, including your lotions. All right. So this skin free is a highly concentrated one. Look at it. You see it now. Look at it. I get in it for sport, any of rashes and all that. It deal with it. You know, it deal with it. It's not just only because I said collagen. Also, no, it works for anti-ages also. Like come on, you have to try this. I just don't know because these days I don't want to talk too much. Maybe, or maybe because I've done a lot of probably I've done a lot of showcasing of a lot of product for you too much. That's why you kind of you say maybe my product too cost. So maybe I'm not going to talk about product for some while. I'll go back to give you just how to DIY it only right now, so that maybe those of you who like patronizing those fake people, you can go patronize them and get yourself killed. And you go come beat me on my WhatsApp and say, yo, what's up? Come on. Sorry about the other thing I said the other day. And I go say no problem, go ahead. Now it's just what you feel like doing at the moment, and you'll be back, and then you back now. So what's up with you? I said, what's up? That's what's up. Alright? So above all that, let's say let's cut off the whole what's up thing. This is what I'm telling you about. You need this. You need this. Don't forget, we've come to the end of this review. Keep with us in touch, or keep touch with us. Whatever you feel like so far, they touch with us. You get it revive on your skincare items, organic, cosmetic, you know, you're gonna get them. Don't forget we have powerful face creams. Don't forget we have powerful lotions. Don't forget we have a lot of recipe that can guide you on your skincare classes. Right? So then again, what I want about to tell you is this. Don't forget we started selling Weavon in other of our platforms, and Africa wears and attires that you feel like getting and all that fine, good gown, shirts and all that. You know, African style Ankara and all that we started selling on all of our platform. Don't forget that.